Jasprit Jasbirsingh Bumrah is an Indian cricketer who plays for the Indian national cricket team in all formats of the game. After a couple of moderately successful seasons with the Mumbai Indians at the Indian Premier League and with his domestic team Gujarat, he was named in India's squad for its 2015-16 series against Australia as a replacement to an injured Bhuvneshwar Kumar. He consequently made his debut in one-day internationals and T20 internationals in 2015-16 series against Australia. He is the first Asian bowler to take 5 wickets in a test innings in South Africa, England, and Australia during the same calendar year. He is also T20 third highest wicket taker in test matches in a debut year with 48 wickets in 8 matches. Bumrah plays first-class cricket for Gujarat and he made his debut against Vidarbha in October 2013 during the 2013-14 season. He picked up 7 wickets in the match. Eventually, he ended the tournament as the side's leading wicket taker. A right-arm fast-medium pacer from Gujarat with an unusual bowling action, Bumrah made his T20 debut against Maharashtra in the 2012-13 side Mushtaq Ali Trophy and also helped his side clinch the title with his man-of-the-match performance. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.